basically here I'm telling you guys to go to, if you guys jailbreak your PS3 and you guys are scared of getting banned, like, if they find a new way to get around 3.56, I might jailbreak my PS3 again, but not really, because you're just gonna straight up get banned. As you can see here, I'm unjailbreaking my PS3 right now. So, and I can update it because it's not on custom firmware. Okay, so now it's installing. This may take a while, but it's definitely worth it. I do hope that I'm not banned from Black Ops permanently. I can still host challenge lobbies, but, yeah, I just really do hope that I'm not banned from Black Ops permanently, because if I am, I'm gonna flip wood. So, yeah, you guys, oh, by the way, hold on. It's moving.